How to add text to a widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the text widgets on your phone. These widgets display custom text which can be added to the home screen or lock screen to show personalized text. As you get there, tap on Widget 1 to create a new widget, let's say CR7. You can also customize the background and text color as shown according to your preferences. Not only that, you can select font styles as well. Here, you can see the sample text preview at the top. Tap on Done to confirm. Now, customize your lock screen by adding widgets. Tap and hold anywhere on the lock screen to enter editing mode. From the menu, tap on Customize at the bottom. Now, tap on the widget section under the clock section. From the menu, scroll down to find and tap on Text Widget. Swipe to see the options and then tap on the widget to add it to your home screen. After that, confirm by tapping on Done. Now, you can view this text on your lock screen. Following these steps, you can easily add text to a widget on your phone.